guys, it's Team R for UL, your boy here, Raul TV, and what we're doing this time around is I've got a Chrysler Grand Voyager here, 2006 plate, 2007 plate Grand Voyager. I'm going to go ahead and replace the front shock absorbers. It's exactly the same on the driver's side, passenger side. I'm even doing it on the floor because this car is a big giant, won't go up on the ramp. So this is I'm doing it on the floor. As you can see here, I've got the jack on it. I've even got the axle stand underneath it, put some blocks on the front. Let's go, let's do it. If you've got a big enough ramp or anything, you know, then happy days, you can do it on the ramp. But I haven't got a big enough ramp for this, and it's a big giant, big mama car, right? Thing is, I've got the axle stand there. I've even got the jack on it. Chucks are on the wheels, front wheels, on the other side. And yeah, I'm gonna take the wheel off first, and we'll go from there. Pretty much same as most shockers. I mean, this type of design. 2 bolts, one here, one here. Take them 2 off. Take the drop link off. Wires, ABS wires, take them off. I mean, don't take it off from the hub, just I've sprayed some WD-40 on it, so all we do is just take it off from there. That's out of the way. Drop link, we're going to take the drop link off, and we're going to take the 2 bolts off, and then that's it for the bottom. Happy days, let's go. Alright guys, they're the 2 bolts. I've cracked them, but make no mistake about it, they were tight. I had to get the strong arm on it. 21mm socket, by the way, 21mm. If they've changed it, somebody's put different nuts on, bolts on, then obviously it'll be different, but on mine it's 21mm, and they were tight, really tight. The drop link one is 19mm. Take that one off, and now I can just whiz them off with a gun. Alright guys, everything is off here. Drop links off. It was tight as well, but not that tight. I mean, it was okay. Nothing that I can't handle. Them 2 are off. What I'm going to do now is, obviously I need 2 hands. One to push the shocker back a little bit, and it'll release the tension here, and then just knock the bolts out. After that, pretty much done on the bottom. We'll go towards the top of the car, and I'll show you what to take off there. Alright guys, I'm in the UK here, and I'm doing the passenger side, okay? It's the UK version of the Chrysler, this one. It's a right-hand drive one, right? And I'm doing the passenger side one. It's even easier on the driver's side if you're in the UK, because you can get your hand in there, no problem. What we're going to do now is, we've taken everything off on the bottom. These little panels, which goes here, I don't know what they really do, but that needs to come off. That piece of cloth or whatever that is, absolute disaster, that needs to come off. And now, as you can see there, there's 1, you can just make it out there, 1, 2 and 3. Them 3, we need to take them 3 off. Shocker will come straight down, but I would suggest you get 2 people, because this is a big shocker, big spring. Sorry about the train going over the head here, we are under a bridge here. And yeah, so 13 millis, take them 3 off, get some WD-40 on it, mark this one to the body so you know which way it goes, the top mounting. And yeah, happy days, let's go, let's take it off. There we have it guys, I've marked it. I know I've gone a little bit OTT with the with the paint here, so yeah, well, more the merrier. You can't miss that, can you? So what we're doing now is we get the spanner on them. I would take this one off last, but I'll just crack it for now. So that's cracked. One around the back here with the spanner, dead easy, you can get to it, no messing. That's another one cracked, and the other one is down there. I know it's very hard to show you because my hand's in the way, but it is there. Just be careful with the battery lead right next to you, the live. If you're in America, it might be, or I mean, if it's a left-hand drive one, the battery might be on the other side, or it might not be. I don't know. Well, be careful. The battery lead's a live wire, so you don't want to get a belt off that. You know, if you touch the live with the spanner and everything. So yeah, take them 3 off. Dead easy, let's go. Guys, we've got the new spring and everything on. I would recommend, if you're going to do it outside your house, taking the shocker off is no problem. Taking the spring off, it's an absolute mission. Take it to a garage. They'll need specialized tools to take the spring off, because there's so much tension. I was like right on the edge of not doing it. Right, so it's done now. Got the spring on. Happy days. You need a spring clamp, the big massive spring clamp, because the springs are massive on this. And now yeah, the fitting is exactly same as taking it off. Reverse order, dead easy. Let's go, let's do it. Guys, there you go. The top 3 nuts are on. Them 2 are back on, that one and that one. Drop link nuts back on. The wires are back on. Right, one little top tip I'm going to give you guys. What it is, I should have mentioned this right in the beginning. On the mounting, just below the mounting on the cap, there's a little cutout, little notch. Okay, I should have shown you guys before, but it's basically right there. Okay, that needs to be facing outwards. Where the wheel is, it needs to be facing outwards. When you're putting the mounting on, it goes the cap that goes underneath the mounting. There's a little notch on it. It needs to be facing towards the wheel. Right, if you don't get that right, the spring will not sit properly. Okay, I found that out the hard way. Put everything back on, and the spring's touching the body. So that little notch, I should have showed you guys, but I had to get on with it. It needs to be facing. You'll see it when you come to take it off. Take the top mounting off. The bottom mounting cap, it's got a little notch on it. It needs to be facing outwards towards the wheel. Okay, finish everything off now. Put the wheel back on. Everything's back tight again. Let's go. Right, guys, that's it. That's how we replaced the shock absorber, the front shock absorber, that is, on a 2007-2006 Grand Voyager, Chrysler Grand Voyager. Like I say, it's not for the faint-hearted, this job. It is a really, really hard job. I'm going to make no two ways about it. It's no two ways about it. It's a really hard job. So you guys, if you're attempting it at home, please be safe. You don't want to take your head off. That spring comes off, it's going to take your head off. It needs to be clamped properly with the proper tools. That's it, guys. All I'm going to say is peace and blessings. Stay safe, and if you are attempting it, do it safe. Put some clamps on it, more additional clamps on it, because I cannot reiterate how much attention that spring has. If you have a proper tool for it, the proper clamps for it, happy days. That's a half an hour's job, 1 hour's job at tops. And that's it anyway, guys. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. I'm not in the Chrysler, obviously. I'm in another car. And like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys soon.